Milo, you wanna come in, Mr. Milo? Promise me you're not gonna run away, okay? Yeah? You wanna get in the car? Okay. Today we're gonna prepare for the things. Look, yeah! Baby, good morning. Where are you gonna go? Huh? Where are you going? We exciting that as you see, look at that. We do really need camper fan. Yeah, because this is full of the things. Like, look at that. I have no idea how is that full, but that's really full. And we go for camping. So let's ride about 1.5 hours and we're gonna have fun. Are you excited, Mila? You do. I love you. Okay, you tell me.
I gotta put my hat on. Going camping, which is essentially packing everything we own and putting it in the back of our SUV, and then driving an hour and a half.
We like a move house.
Put everything back up, and then cook there, and then sleep there, and then put it all back up and come home. And you know you have an Asian wife when she asks, "Can I take the rice cooker?"
Yeah.
I was like,
also noodles.
"Honey, we don't have electricity." She's like, "But you can plug it in." And I was like, "Honey, they can cook rice other ways. I mean, they cooked rice before electricity." And she's like, "But I want rice cooker." And I was like, and then she's like, "That's okay. I'll just bring rice already cooked."
You also say no for my noodle.
No for noodles.
Very sad.
She wants to cook noodles in my cast iron skillet.
You bring everything except my noodle. That's make me a little bit sad. Terrible.
This is not American. This is American camping, not Asian living.
But you have Asian wife.
We're going to be gone 24 hours. You can't go that long without noodles.
I love noodles. So we're gonna go. This is a family trip that we're gonna go for camping. I'm so excited. How about you, Milo? You excited? I love you. Daddy gonna drive for us. Safe drive. James Table. Look at that. Ooh, ready to go. Milo cannot wait to go. That's us. Okay. Ski jump. And that we're gonna do a little bit kind of road, dirt. Yeah, it's damn.
Gravel road.
Gravel road.
Gravel rock.
Yeah, grada grudu. Like ajak-ajotan, you know. So this we enter. Oops, ajuk. I don't know what the sign is this and blah 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 blah. Oh, they're a little bit shaking. The tali. One way, alright.
One way.
On another. I
I'm
made a
gonna
cheeky.
Get you.
And I say cheeky.
There's a campground there.
Alright, we are here. Oh, the thing the people bring their own camper van. But we just bring our SUV.
Yeah.
SUV that's what we have.
SJ5, SJ6,
We ate, right?
SJ7.
Okay, so guys, you book online and you can pick the spot that they based on available. So based on available. Ooh, look the lake. Oh my god, I cannot wait to walk around there. Well,
SJ8.
you book online so you can pick the spot that you want based on available for sure. And we got, look at that. Where we are? This one?
Us.
G8. Yeah, why? Because he like
So
the big tree and shade and
That's SJ9.
hello. What happened, Milo? Milo, stop doing
Let's
that.
see. That one's SJ9. So that's SJ10. This is the one I wanted.
one that you want, yeah.
Yeah, and it's furthest away and stuff. And I was thinking, oh, well, people coming down this way, the lights.
Father, and you see the run is like nice spot there, but we cannot get that. We don't get that spot
Yeah,
because it's already full.
This one was taken. This one was
This one is
taken.
taken?
Yeah. So this is us right here.
To be honest, it's like so hot. We need some leaf. Oh, here I see the toilet. Let's check that this toilet woman and that means. So I'm gonna check the toilet how it's look. Maybe it's like a little bit scary. Ooh. Alright, that's fine. Just have a closet here. That's all. So nice. So hot. Marlo, come here. Look, our guest. Hey, not direct. Oh, goodness. You really direct them? Bahagia banget kayaknya hidupnya. It's like handbag. Alright, we're gonna do a little bit floating. Now it's like about 1 o'clock and it's so hot now. So Milo is swimming time and we're gonna do chill on the lake for a while. Alright. Milo on the board. Look at that. Are you so happy? Good boy. Roll. Ya Tuhan, honey. Your dog is, oh my god. Someone already back up. I'm about to think that we bring corn. Next time we're gonna bring a lot of food for sure. Rice cooker. Can I bring my rice cooker next time?
No.
Yes, please.
No.
I'm gonna make nasi goreng. I'm gonna bring my pot to cook a noodle. What?
I said the campfire smells good.
Yeah.
Tell him
Yeah.
not to get in the mud.
He don't like it, you know that. What you looking at, Milo? Keep going. Keep going, baby. Uh-oh, did he say that? Be outside, that's a happy thing for Milo. If I can trust you, Milo, I will let off leash. But I don't. Mosquito. Keep going, baby. You GPS. Come on. Good GPS. Show us the route. Ooh, look at this. A little bit short here. Look at this. I think we picked the wrong.
Go.
Come here. Wah. Cepat kali dia kalau jalan. He's so exciting. So quiet here. Slowly, bro. Where here? Seriously? You say? Oh. I don't know where to go.
Over here.
There maybe I need to try. I need to cook some barbecue. Looks like we have a neighbor. Full of the tent. Good morning. Look at that. The sunrise is so beautiful. This is the view from our tent and it's peaceful and beautiful.